Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dia Vlogs. I know, I'm so sorry for taking a long time to upload a new video, but I am back with another exciting video that I know many of you were waiting for. Today I'm going to unbox the Accenture Welcome Kit S, the one you receive as a new joiner. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Now, just a quick heads up, after a few days of joining Accenture, you will receive a mail on your official company email with a link to provide your shipping address and confirm your details. Once that's done, your welcome kit will be on its way. On the day of delivery, you will get an OTP on your registered number. Make sure to inform the delivery person and hand over the OTP to receive your package. Alright, now that we have got all that covered, let's unbox this beauty. The entire welcome kit is recyclable and made with a sustainable touch. It's too awesome, right? Just one of the many ways Accenture cares for the environment. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Let me know in the comments below what video you had liked me to cover next. I had loved to hear from you. Until then, keep going and keep growing.